for dilute.
That's your point like the bone.
Eat it, can't it? No.
That's what I cook, man.
If you don't want to go, I'm full up of water.
No, that's what I cook, man.
Remember, say my hands is remember two big holes in front of you.
Viewers, subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Last week, me and Shanika went over the supermarket. So we see this fruit cake. So we say, okay. So we buy the rest of the ingredients them. We buy butter, egg, and we also have a little scale. We buy for like maybe 2 years now. So we say, alright, this is a perfect time to try it. And we also have some raisins, which we did soak in some rum for a couple months now. And I tell you, say, it well ripe, So go on, watch what we do. Please remember, like, comment, share. And at the end of the video, we are calling family members. So we are going to make them taste and find out which one of the cake them. Because a 2 cake, we are going to do, you know. Yes, 2 different cake. One we will buy from the supermarket and one we will make from scratch. Alright, so check out the video while listening to this beautiful song from Kamai Jonathan C.
And I lean into you, feel your heartbeat sinking in my skin. You fit so well, I feel my tired soul swell. If only you could see what your kindness does to me. You'd hold me close and never set me free. I keep losing my mind whenever you're in my sight. Baby, you steady my ways whenever you call my name so light. The way you talk softly to me, the way we stay up counting every dream, the way how on my shoulder you trace moonbeams. The night can glow so bright, like we're wrapped in painted streams. All I know is you're the one for me. Just by the way you sit on this porch with me. Someone is coming, but I don't care. I'm in a daze, lost in your stare.
This first cake basically finished. So I'm going to take it out now, make it cool, then I'm going to wrap it up, then put it in the fridge. Yeah man, make it go on easy. So I'm going to start on the other one. So you see we have sugar, we have flour, we have cinnamon, we have rose water, we have vanilla, we have baking powder. See, we even have surge milk. Yes man, and browning as well. So we are going to combine them together and make a beautiful fruit cake. And we have fruits too, you know. Yes man, we can afford the fruits them as well. Alright, so we're going to start pan right now the butter, and we're going to just make it soft, and then we just start work it with the mixer. Alright, yeah man. So egg dead as well too. So please remember, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. If you don't like my video yet, please give me videos a like.
The way you talk softly to me, the way we stay up counting every dream, the way how on my shoulder you trace moonbeams. The night can glow so bright, like we're wrapped in painted streams. All I know is you're the one for me. Just by the way you sit on this porch with me. So you slipped on jeans and opened the door.
I tell you, it tastes delicious already and it's not finished. So do remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on notification bell.
Was your ex Shelly from days before, always showing up at the wrong time? Now I'm starting to think it must be a sign. This is too crazy, muy loco. I need me some tea, a cup of cocoa, as Shelly just shattered my moment of feeling like your perfect little go-go. I keep losing my mind whenever you're in my sight. Baby, you steady my ways whenever you call my name so light. The way you talk
So this is the icing I'm making that we are going to put over the 2 cakes. After I put them over the cake now, then we're going to put them in the fridge, and get them kind of hard more. So then I call over my family member them and get the tasting competition on.
Up, counting every dream. The way how on my shoulder you trace moonbeams. The night can glow so bright, like we're wrapped in painted streams. All I know is you're the one for me. Just by the way you sit on this porch with me.
Remember, see, you can't taste one, go to sit down. I'll go to salary for taste and taste again. And then
Right, I'll go to South now. Little. You torn up together, right?
Your personality is as soft as a pillow, cuddly and sweet, as warm and as cozy as a small town fire on a frosty street. Your confidence is as strong, like holding on to steady branches when the nights feel long. The touches of your hands calm me deep within. I lean into you, feel your heartbeat sinking in my skin. You fit so well, I feel my tired soul swell. If only you could see what your kindness does to me, you'd hold me close and never set me free. I keep losing my mind whenever you're in my sight, baby.
for me, I'll give the first one. One from, so it's between 1 to 10. I give the first one about 7. The second one that I taste, I would have given it about maybe 5. For me, the first one, even though it's a little bit heavy, the tasting is a lot more like a wedding cake to me. The second one is a little bit lighter, but I'm not getting that taste and that flavor that I am looking for. Mr. Brown?
As Miss Lona was saying about the, it's not really a cake for me. But I would go with the first one that you taste. It really heavy, yes. It really heavy. The next one, yeah, it tastes good. But I don't have opinion, I would go with the first one.
First one.
Me? Alright, so the first one doesn't taste bad at all. Little sweet. As you said, more like a wedding cake thing. This one, not that sweet. Right? And to me, we kind of like the second one more.
Why I like the second one more? It's because it's less sweet.
Yeah, less sweet than.
And more lighter.
Yeah.
More lighter.
I'm going to tap into every food to go with it. It's more little lighter on it.
I believe she makes,
Circle is thin. It's thin here.
I believe if she makes some adjustment to the first one, it's going to be a perfect cake.
Okay. So which one?
The first one to me is you
Which one I
from
think
scratch.
I made
The one, the
from
first
scratch?
one.
And which one I think is the box cake?
I believe the first one is the one that you
Okay.
made from scratch. The second one is the box cake. You.
Oh, so the first one will be one from scratch. into the thing.
Yeah.
Let me go for the first one. I'm not a cake lover, but I'm having it.
Come on, you lost.
Come
I
on,
like
one.
box cake.
Next supermarket.
That's everything that I want.
This is the box cake.
The first one?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this one is not the box cake. This one was made from scratch. This one is the box cake. The only thing I did with the box is that I add some more fruits to it.
Okay.
I add some more fruits to the box
Well,
cake.
I don't like the box cake.
As I said, this one was not really on the plate of making I was supposed to make the box. But because I made it, I don't like it how it tastes, I don't like how it smells. And then it was because I'm thinking about a wedding cake or a home
I
cake.
think it probably has a little, I'm not sure if it's almond or whatever is in it, but there's a little bit.
Well, viewers, subscribers, well, the results are in. So some of them still them like the fruit cakes, some of them still them like the box cake. But from my personal taste, me enjoy the homemade one more. Why? It have more taste, more flavor in it. It's a little bit tight, so maybe the next time we're trying it, we have to just adjust the measurement. So please remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Bless up.